Hello, I'm Nicole with My Math Experts, and today I'm going to show you how to multiply fractions. So what we want to do first is to simplify before we multiply. We have a couple of tips and tricks that will help us to simplify before we multiply. We can simplify a fraction to its smallest parts, reduce, and cancel. So there's a couple of these tips and tricks will help us multiply or make our multiplication a little bit more simple instead of multiplying really big numbers or getting a product that has big numbers and then having to simplify it after. So here we can see that we can actually simplify across with 3 and 9. We can divide both of these by 3 to simplify the fractions in general. So if we were to divide 3 by 3, that is equal to 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. We also see another way that we can simplify with 2 and 8. We can divide both of these by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So now we can just simplify or multiply straight across. When we multiply fractions, we do numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So our numerator times numerator, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And our denominator times denominator is 12. So we get a product of 1/12. We could see the multiplication done without simplifying before we multiply. So if we have 3 over 8 times 2 over 9, we can still simply multiply across. 3 times 2 is 6, and 8 times 9 is 72. We see that this is a really big fraction piece, so we can try our best to simplify it after we multiply. But you see here how this can be a little bit more of a challenging, so it's better to simplify before you multiply, and you'll know you'll have the best or the most simple answer after. We can divide both of these by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. And 72 divided by 6 is 12. Multiply or simplify before you multiply. 1/12. And we still get the same beautiful answer.